Now in this video, we are going to give you a brief overview of what affiliate marketing really is. Now affiliate marketing is a great way to earn a small income online or create a business that can make you a big fortune. This business model is one of the easiest ways to start generating an income and build an online business. There is no or little investment needed to start, and you don't need to be an expert before you get going. This may sound too good to be true, but you really can run a business from a laptop anywhere you have an internet connection. So affiliate marketing is a business that has the ability to be repeatable once you develop a system that has given you results. Once you have the pieces in place, you will then duplicate and reuse those promotions over and over again. By cloning your promotions, you have created a system that you can use to make money anytime you want. So why isn't everyone doing this and becoming an affiliate marketer? The answer is simple. Most people don't understand what it is, and even if they do, they think it is too hard and don't want to put the work in to create a profitable system. That's right, I said there is work involved in creating the system. There is a misconception that anyone can make money online with the push of a button with no effort. They are not willing to invest in the tools and the training to make themselves a successful business. Now, if you are willing to put in the work and create the system, you will be successful. This is good because that leaves more buyers and profits for you to make money from. You have taken the first step in creating your online future by investing in this training today. So here's what you are about to learn. What affiliate marketing is and exactly how it works. We're going to explain the myth around affiliate marketing so you can succeed. You're going to learn to simplify your affiliate marketing journey to create a real business, and why you should be using a bonus page in your marketing. Now remember, don't overcomplicate the whole process. Grasp the basics and build up. You don't need to create everything in a single day. It will take time, and don't get frustrated. There is a lot of work involved, so create a solid plan and execute daily tasks. So what I want to do is I want to leave you with a quote. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. So I'll see you in the next video.